Guys, set out tayo guys dito sa smart dito tayo sa smart TV para kitang-kita ang makita-kita tayo. Makita lahat. Anyway, zoom natin, zoom. That's it, zoom. This is my channel, Lisa Jose Laurente. Okay, i-play natin to as eating, running, walking. Eating, running, walking. Okay. Okay. So, nagtatanong iba bakit wala yung eating. Nandito ang eating. Ang eating is here. Here in the ending. Okay. That's the eating part. Charot. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the comment section. So, makashout out na tayo dito. Yan. Lakihan ng zoom. Okay, si Amber pa rin ang number 1 sa list. Number 1 on the list. Is on the top. And then, Mr. the Guitar Man of Korea. Best guitar man. Then si Pili Lifestyle, Ma'am Pili, shout out, idol. At si Christy Gaspar, hindi ko pa na-replyan nito. Kanina nakita ko yun, na busy lang konti. Pabalikan kita ng Christy Gaspar. Explore Pixel from Ilocos, but she is now in Dubai. He or she is now in Dubai. Shout out Explorer Pixel. Yung channel, shout out channel GB, have a good day. And civil engineering, shout out. Ma'am Fatima, Ghana, Africa. Shout out, ma'am. Thank you for dropping by. Nature's beauty nature, shout out. Kamalaz, Ninju, yummy. Filter vlog. Ay, hindi ko pa na 1 minute ago. Pangita punta bro. Pindot. Panington eh. Sweet. It means sweet. Sweeting. Cool video. Thank you. Stagtik. Irene. Ma'am Irene, thank you. Nice po. Ako nakipag-asayas lang. Salamat sa comment. Sir Mateo. Thank you. Nice workout, maganda po yan sa katawan. Maganda po yan sa katawan para healthy. Thank you, si Cab Ilowa, Libaston program. Practice si James K. Doc. Ito din si Ma'am Mrs. Wula. Lilian Borda, Kamala Tabitchery, Ma'am Fatima, Max, Sir Max is here. Okay. See, this is food channel. Hello, ma'am. My dear friend, thank you for commenting. Shout out Bibian Vlog, my guitar man friends. Micotizens, shout out. Need ko lang yan, kailangan ng walking. Need ko na rin yan, kailangan ng walking. Harang, thank you, ma'am. Civil engineer, Christy Gaspar, hindi ko na auto, replyan. Shopee Tikibar, shout out. And shout out the last who commented. Okay, let's tayo sa ibang video. Okay, let's go to another video. So pilit tayo dito sa video ko. Ito may kamote, shirt, ito second sa YouTube salary, sahod ko na napatapos. Ito maganda to. Okay, yan, YouTube salary. sahod ko nagpatapos sa ceiling ko na napinturahan na yung ceiling ko, na nalagyan na ng mga plywood, kahoy, iskimkutan na lahat. Thank you for your kanang support. Okay, let's do the shout out, guys. Shout out ito si Ambin, siya pa rin number 1, si Hannah Tube, and then si The Witchery, si Ma'am Kim from USA. Thank you for your comment and sharing daw. O si Idol Lolok Bautista, magaling din itong mag-gitara at kumanta. Juan Bo, amen. Thank you for your comment. Discipline, thank you ma'am. Salamat. O si Idol Rins TV. Congrats sir, go. Salamat. Lord Sosin, thank you. Shout out Busing. Ganda na Busing. Salamat Busing. Long 3040. Down. Stagtik. May Suki. Irene. Ma'am Irene. Si Dista Music. GC Adventure. This one is from Europe. Sislovic. Mustaser Collection. Montaser Collection. Salamat, napaganda. Thank you for comment. Yong Wong, a good singer from Korea also. Okay. Prit Bajna from India. I think she's from India. Hala Pares. Thank you for dropping by. Nature's Beauty. Thank you. Si Pusing Mix Vlog. Maganda yung kuan to. Pusing Mix Vlog. Maganda yung kuan niya, content. Maganda yung mga places na pinuntahan niya. Okay. Ito lang, kuan tayo. Kuan tayo ng recap lang tayo. Inday? Where going, Day? Nula. Magbay ka, og.
Ano sa akong bag dyan din? Yan, bag na ko. Nasa nito.
Where's me?
Yan.
Okay na. Kaya happy na naman man. Ako lang itiwas, mag-recap mo. Nagwala si Inday. Kasi yung iba sa akang lola. Biscuit? Thank you for watching, guys.